departing Clapham Junction for London Waterloo. So let's go. Southwestern Road Class 455, get ready to depart Clapham Junction for London Waterloo. 455 731. Just have it on the back. Just goes. Five 720. Some Southwestern Road Class 159s. Oh, 8s. $159 090. $444 002. $444 090. Wow. Southwestern Road Class 455 901 and 455 868. Get ready to depart, or arriving and departing Clapham Junction for London Waterloo. From Woking. So it goes. Fast class 455. $455 701 and 919. Last 458. 458 531. Scott, 455 to Waterloo. 455 to 734. Railway Class 159s, get ready to depart Clapham Junction for Exeter St David's. London Waterloo. $159 017. $159 018. Z's class 455s.
Once the train arrives, please mind the step on the platform onto the train.
455 South Western Rail Class 455 arriving and departing Clapham Junction for Woking from London Waterloo. 455 920. So it is. I don't know. We've got another 455 service for London Waterloo. 455 706. Here goes that service to Woking behind this train. Some action at Clapham Junction on a Friday afternoon rush hour. 455 717. Railway Class 455s arriving departing Clapham Junction for Dorking from London Waterloo. 455 705. Service is 455 service from London Waterloo. 455 874. 455 713. Here's the service to Dorking. 455 75. That's 455, so Strawberry Hill. 455 720. South Western Railway, nice. Here this service goes to Strawberry Hill. Excuse a little bit of rain. Hope it doesn't hit the camera. Whoa!
Next train, platform 10 is service.
455 731. Mr. Smiley over here. Western Road Class 455 868 and 455 901 get ready to depart Clapham Junction for Guildford from London Waterloo. And it's stunning new BR livery. Wow. So it goes. Wow. $455 901. That goes. South Western Road Class 455 707. And something on the back, get ready to depart Clapham Junction for Hampton Court. Oh, stand back, there's a train approaching. Goes this service to Hampton Court.
Platform 10,
the sun on that.
South Western Railway service to London Waterloo. Calling at Vauxhall and London
Should be
Waterloo.
departing now.
This train has 8 carriages.
I am indeed right. 455 738. Four five eight 532 Bishop. Four five eight 513. Class 450 service for Clapham to South. 450 017 and 450 107. Oh my god! Class 455 service. Four four five 734. Here goes these class 455s to London Waterloo. 455 857. Let's goes. Five 906. South Western Railway class 450 052 and something on the back. Get ready to depart Clapham Junction for London Waterloo. Four five five 919. There goes this service. Friday rush hour for you. Four 063. 445 711. 455 869. Those guys. Some South Western Railway class 444s somewhere. For 073 and 027. Four 735. 455 716. Oh bloody hell, it's getting soaked. Oh no, class 444s. Four for four, RO4. With 444 043. Scenario class 444 455 724 and something on the back getting ready to depart Club Junction for London Waterloo. Just goes.
Road, Colindale, Archway, Angel, up Mr. Bridge, Clapham Common, Clapham North and Clapham South and Swiss Cottage, Acton Town and Camden Town and Chalk Farm and West Kensington, Canning Town.